Hello everyone, this is MOUSUMI'S and you are watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my new DIY video. So here I have taken two plastic bottles of oil and then I have cut it from the middle and designed the edges like this with the help of a scissor. And I haven't made any hole in the backside of the bottles because I want to use this in many purposes. And as you all know, I always use these Fabrica acrylic paints for this DIY crafts. I am here going to use all the vibrant colors so that it can look much more beautiful and colorful too. Now it's time for coloring and I am going to color the bottles like this. One thing I forgot to tell you that I have applied gesso firstly as a base because base is very important in any DIY crafts because gesso is white colored, and when the base is white, the color you apply next will become much more vibrant. Here you can see that the two bottles are divided into parts, so I decided to apply all the vibrant colors in every parts of it. So after coloring, these are looking like this. You can see that I have not applied any color in the last part of the bottle because I have some different idea for this. And this is it, a jute rope and Fevicol. I am going to use this in the last part of the bottles. At first I need to apply the glue and then I am going to use the rope. This is looking something like this. I need to do something more with this, and I have taken here white acrylic paint and I'm just going to make some dots on it and it will be ready to use. So this is it. I hope you all have liked it, and if yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.